Good morning, my little one. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I'm your teacher Deeplata and I'm here with some classwork. So get ready. Are you ready for classwork? So hold your pencil and start with me. First of all, we will draw double line as usual. Then put date here and classwork. Now we'll write here true or false. After that, we will start our true false. First, Bob is a girl. So, tell me, children, what it will be? Is it true or false? Bob is a girl? No, Bob is a boy. So, here, false. We will write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now next. Number 2. Bob likes bread and jam. Tell me, Bob likes bread and jam. Is it true or false? It is false because as we have learned in chapter that Bob likes bread and butter. So here is false. Next, number 3. Bob likes black birds. Bob likes black birds. Tell me. Yes, Bob likes black birds. So, it is true. T-R-U-E, true. Next, Bob does not like a banana. Is it true? No, Bob likes banana. So here we will write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. And last one is Bob does not like birds. Bob does not like birds. What it will be here? Yes, it is false because Bob likes birds. F-A-L-S-E. So, children, true or false is completed. You will write in your notebook neatly like this way. Okay, children? Enough for today, children. Tomorrow I will come with question answer. Till then, bye and take care at home.